To get started mining with unMinable the most profitable way, we're going to want to go to Get Started with PhoenixMiner, and then we're going to go to download PhoenixMiner from the official link. Find the latest version is here. I've already downloaded it. You'll download the latest version at the time you do it. And then we're going to want to copy this line here with set up the start.bat file. You can come back out of here. I've extracted it in a folder that's excluded from my antivirus. We'll go inside of it, and then we can see they start with a start mining. We'll edit this file right here. We can delete all of this and then paste what we copied from the website. So we're going to mine CRO. So you'd change this to whatever coin address you're going to be mining from. And you can find this by going to the coins page, click on the coin you want to use, and then it'll be right here, CRO, your address, and then your worker's name. You'll also want to add a referral code to get less of a mining fee. So we'll go back and fill this out. CRO, my wallet, make a name, and then add a referral code. You can use mine. And that should be all we need to do to get started. We can save this. And once you start running it, it will do this, and you'll be mining.